Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on Telegram, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your Telegram profile picture, it's actually so easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Telegram. And after opening your Telegram, next, I want you to go to the main menu at the top left corner. And once you're on the menu, next, tap your profile. And after tapping it, you will now be directed to your Telegram profile. So now that you're on your Telegram profile, you can now change your profile picture by tapping this. And then you will now be able to see all the photos that are saved in your device, so just select the one that you want to set as your profile picture. And after selecting the photo, finally, for the last step, you can now tap the check button to completely set this photo as your new profile picture in Telegram. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed your profile picture on Telegram. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.